welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji V. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys another Amazon home find. So I had to toss my other dining chairs because they were ruined by my cats. You know, they like to scratch, so I've been trying to train them to not scratch on my furniture. So I've been looking for a set of chairs for a long time now. I think I tossed these maybe over a year ago. So I've been looking for chairs that are within my budget, of course. And originally I found these dining chairs on Wayfair, but then I was on Amazon and then I found them for even less. On Amazon, these chairs I found them on Amazon for $3.59, which is a steal in my book. Especially for a set of 4 chairs, you know, they're less than $100 each. But on on Wayfair they were over $400. So these chairs are the Calamy. They're actually called Calamy French Country Dining Chairs, set of 4 upholstered farmhouse dining chairs with round back and solid wood. They could either be accent chairs as well, but I love them for my dining space. They also come in gray. You could also purchase them as a set of 2, 4, or 6. A set of 6 is $4.99, which is still a steal because most dining chairs are like over $1,000. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm going to assemble the chairs in this video. I'm going to show you guys how I assemble it, and then I'm going to place it around my dining table. So my dining table is dark wood. I decided to go with like a whitewash look. I like that RH inspired look because I like my space to be eclectic and different. I don't want everything to be matchy. So I didn't want to go with another dark wood type of dining chairs. I wanted something different and to kind of warm up the space. So I'm super happy with these chairs, and I'm super happy to share this video with you guys. So without no further ado, let's put these chairs together and see what they look like in my dining space. So we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing these chairs. They're well packaged and they're wrapped so nicely. I'm gonna check for any damages. So far so good. I love the material on the chairs. The upholstery is just so luxurious and pretty. And then the feet are stored in the bottom of the seat, which is great as well. Also notice these chairs aren't heavy. They're pretty lightweight, so durability we'll see. Overall, I'm happy with my purchase. The price is good. So now we're gonna assemble the chairs. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to put it together. So I have the instructions, and according to this, they say make sure you have your back with legs, seat, leg tube, ball, spring washer, flat washer, and Allen key, which is what I have. And then they say pretty much unzip the covering under the seat, take the hardware set out, place the back with legs on a clean, non-marring surface, align the mounting position on the seat to the mountings on the back with legs, lock the middle mounting position first by bolting. By using both for spring washer and flat washer and Allen key, then lock all 4, and that should assemble the chairs. So that's what we're going to do right now. So first, I'm going to remove the plastic that is covering the holes. I'm not going to completely remove the plastic right now. I just want to go ahead and assemble the chairs. So I'm going to start putting the bolts together. You start with the bolt, the spring washer, and then the back washer. So you're just going to repeat those steps for each bolt. And then the instruction states that we must start with the back legs to prevent, you know, wobbling and things like that. So we're just gonna follow the instructions. There's also a middle bolt as well, so don't forget to insert the bolt there into that middle hole, because these chairs are supposed to hold 250 pounds. So they added that extra reinforcement. That's the first time I'm seeing a middle bolt on a chair, so that's great to me as well. So we're just going to repeat these steps for each chairs and put it all together, and then you'll see the end results. I also noticed while securing the front legs that you have to make sure the legs are straight and properly secured while you're bolting in the front legs. After I bolted in the front legs, some of my legs were crooked, so please make sure the legs are straight and aligned properly while you're bolting in the screws as well. So this is what the chair looks like all put together. It is so pretty and luxurious. It looks high-end as well. So this is like a country farmhouse French inspired look. I love it. It's so chic, so modern as well. I love the whitewash look. So I'm super happy with this chair. I love the color as well. It's like a creamy white, and it also has like a shiny texture to the material as well, and it is super durable. I love the seat cushion as well. It is firm and it's also tall as well, so I love that about this chair. My previous chairs, you know, they would flatten over time, but I am so in love with this chair. So you guys, this is my dining space. I love it. It's so pretty. It's modern. It's so RH inspired as well. I just love the look. It's so nice. And then the chairs, look, it's so comfy. And they're very tall as well. So I love that. Like, you know, your posture is nice. You sit well at this table. I love this, and I love the back. It's so nice. I feel grown, but this is nice. I love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was fun. I haven't done a home decor video where I put together furniture in a long time. I really enjoy decorating. I really do. So I don't know if I need to get more chairs. I mean, 4 is good. It's just me and the kids anyway. So I see you guys in the next one. Bye.